When fall sports season began in Lewis and Clark County, spectators were allowed to watch events, but in a limited capacity. Now, as the winter sports seasons get ready to begin, MTN's Sam Hoyle shows us things will start off differently.
On September 4th, the day it was announced that spectators in Lewis and Clark County could dot the sidelines in the stands of fall high school sporting events. There were 207 cases in Lewis and Clark County, according to state data. And on December 16th, according to state data, there are currently 910 cases in the county.
As a result of the rise in the case count, Lewis and Clark Public Health is not reviewing COVID-19 mitigation plans for events up to 250 people, a required step for approving the return of spectators this winter. Lewis and Clark Public Health Officer Brendan Neiman said the reason they're not reviewing plans is that the county's decision-making criteria in regards to limiting the spread of the virus are not being met.
We continually assess. We look at this every week. We look at our numbers every week, we look at our hospital capacity every week, and we make adjustments to the situation in our county based on that data. And so we will continue to assess, and we will continue to look forward to the day that we can then open those groups, gatherings, and events back up again.
Per the governor's orders and county's orders, gatherings that do not require COVID-19 mitigation plans must be limited to 25 people or less, which will extend to spectators at sporting events this winter.
Youth activities can proceed as they are planned for winter sports with all of the public health precautions in the planning efforts that the schools have done. The spectators then would be limited to 25.
With the ability to only have 25 spectators in the stands, Helena Public Schools Activities Director Tim McMahon said in part in a press release, open quote, "In an effort to provide families with the opportunity to watch their student-athlete participate, our activities office will be working with schools and teams to develop a system to provide limited spectator passes for home games for the home team only. Please know that we will not distribute more than 25 passes per game. This system will remain in effect until gathering sizes can be increased. We understand that this will limit the number of spectators per student-athlete," close quote.
You can read the full statement from McMahon on our website, montanasports.com. And while spectators might be limited to just 25 people as of right now, Neiman says she looks forward to the day when the criteria can be met and she can start reviewing plans to add more spectators to winter sporting events this year. Reporting in Helena, Sam Hoyle, MTN Sports.